In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to multiply numbers in Excel. If you need to calculate totals quickly in a spreadsheet, Excel makes multiplication very simple. This is especially useful for things like multiplying quantity by price, hours by rate, or any other pair of values you want to calculate automatically. In this example, we'll multiply two numbers using a basic Excel formula. First, open Excel so you're on your worksheet and ready to work. Once you have your data in place, the first thing you need to do is click the cell where you want the result to appear. This is important because the formula will display its answer in whichever cell is currently selected. So before typing anything, make sure you've chosen the correct result cell. Next, type the multiplication formula directly into that cell. The formula you'll use is equals A2 times B2. In Excel, multiplication is done with the asterisk symbol. So the formula should look like this: equals A2, asterisk, B2. The equal sign tells Excel that you're entering a formula instead of plain text, and the asterisk tells it to multiply the value in one cell by the value in the other. This works well when your worksheet has values arranged in columns. For example, if cell A2 contains a quantity and cell B2 contains a price, Excel will multiply those two numbers and return the total. So if A2 is 5 and B2 is 20, the result will be 100. That makes this a great method for quickly calculating totals in tables. After typing the formula, press Enter on your keyboard. Excel will immediately calculate the answer and show the result in the selected cell. If the numbers in A2 or B2 change later, the result will automatically update, which is one of the biggest advantages of using formulas instead of doing the math manually. As a quick tip, always double check that you're referencing the correct cells before pressing Enter. A small typo in the cell reference can give you the wrong result. Also, make sure the cells you're multiplying contain numbers rather than text, or Excel may not calculate the way you expect. That's all it takes to multiply two numbers in Excel. Click the result cell, type equals A2 asterisk B2, and press Enter. It's a fast, reliable way to calculate totals and keep your spreadsheet accurate.